everyone, how are you? I just wanted to give you a little post with a screencast-o-matic to kind of help guide you through the very first part of that lesson if you struggled with it on Thursday. The very first part of the lesson, you were supposed to take your values and you were supposed to find your base, and then you would put it to an exponent, and that is how many there are. So there are some notes you need to read through that I have down. Read through this slide of notes, and it gives you the information you need, and then it gives you an example problem of how you do exponents and what does an exponent mean. And then I went to the next slide, and it's asking you to do a couple problems. I think it's slide 4. So on slide 4, you have problems like the one on my screen right now. So what you're going to do is ask yourself, what is the base? Well, my base on my problem I have here is 4 and -3. So the first thing I want you to do is write your base. Type your base in the text box. So you're going to put in your text box, well, you'll use the numbers you have, but I'm going to put 4 because that's my base. I have 4 4s. And then I also have a -3. So I'm going to put a -3 because that is my second base. Now, between them, I have asked you to use multiplication. So I asked you to use an asterisk. That's what you're going to use, but I'm going to use a little dot here because I'm on Jamboard, and Jamboard does not have an asterisk. So this is my multiplication sign. Now, you have to go back and ask yourself, how many 4s do I have? 4 is a base. How many do I have? I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's my exponent. It is 4 to the 4th. 4 to the 4th means the same thing as 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. All right? Now, let's look at -3. I put -3 in parentheses because it is a negative. And negatives need to go in parentheses when we're using exponents. So I look at how many -3s do I have. I have 1, 2, 3. I have 3. Therefore, my exponent is going to be a 3. The answer to this problem, when I want to put it in exponential form, is 4 to the 4th power times parentheses -3 parentheses to the 3rd power. Hopefully this explanation will help you on slide 4. On slide 5 should give you the answer, but I want you to do the slide 4 first before you look at the answers. Okay, see if you can get the right answer. Hopefully this video will help a little bit in explaining to you how you should be doing these problems. As for you getting an exponent, it is on slide 1. Slide 1 gives you instructions on how to get the exponent, okay? So what you would do, you need to highlight the number, okay? Highlight the number, and then you want to go up to Format. You want to go to Text, then you hit Superscript, and it will superscript that number. So say, for instance, if I had 4 and I had this 4, you might have something that looks like this. Okay? You want to highlight this 4 that I'm circling. Then you will go to Format, Text, Superscript, and that will raise this 4 to a 4th power, and it will look like this. Okay? Now your numbers might be different in your problems, but that's what you would do. You have to highlight. Highlight the number beside it and then superscript it. Okay? So if you have any questions, please email me. Get with me at some point in time, and I'd be happy to help you out with this little lesson. Okay? All right. If you have any questions, let me know, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you. Talk to you later.